This is a Minova Lightning to Lightning OTG cable. This cable can connect Apple Magic Keyboard to iPhone. This is a Lightning port. It can be charged to the keyboard and also can connect the keyboard to iPhone by this cable. This is a lightning cable to lightning. So this is this host connect to iPhone. This is another slab connect to keyboard. Let's try. For example, now I try to before we cannot input anything. Then we can try to connect to the iPhone. Okay. And then I connect to keyboard. Okay, see, we keep key. So we can key anything. So it's very easy. Okay, thank you.